I'm Jake, Sales Engineer at Wire Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series GSTA Carbon Monoxide and nitrogen dioxide gas transmitter. Active independent GSTA can be utilized to monitor gas concentration, such as underground garages and loading docks. The GSTA can be easily customized depending on the type of signal needed for a PLC or other controller. The selectable current and voltage outputs of the transmitter are used for almost any building control. Units are available in both duct mount configurations with the ability to use carbon monoxide or nitrogen dioxide. For carbon monoxide units, the user can select the output range to be 4 to 50 ppm or up to 500 ppm. Nitrogen dioxide units have a standard 0 to 10 ppm. The output can also be inverted using external switches. Field calibration can be completed using calibration gas, calibration adapter, and onboard zero and span button. With calibration, the electrochemical carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide sensors will provide readings for up to 4 years. In the event of needing to be replaced, Dwyer offers field replacement sensors to minimize costs. To learn more or order any product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.